Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will see how we can translate the language, like how we can translate from one language to the another language. Okay, so let's start our video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So see here, first we want to add some backdrop. So for our project, we can add any backdrop, whatever you want, you can add. Suppose I want to add this bedroom theme. Okay. Instead of this cat, I want to add the other sprite. So you need to click on choose a sprite. Here we have lots of sprites. So whatever you want, you can add. Suppose if you want people, so just click on the people. We have lots of people here. So we can add any. I want to add this one. See, Danny. I want to add the Danny. So we have our backdrop here. We have the Danny also. After that, the most important thing here, as you can see, we have blocks like we have our motion, looks, sound, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, my block. Okay, if you want to add the other blocks like a translate, so you need to click on this add extension, and here we have this translate. So you have to just click on that, so you will get your translate. Okay, after that, how we will translate that? So we have to start from event when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, so we want to say something. Okay, when flag is clicked, we want to say something like what you want to say. Based on your choice, you can add this statement. Suppose I will just go to this looks. So say what will happen if I will run, you will get hello for 2 seconds. But instead of hello, we want other thing like see, we can take. So what we want, hello in this Galician language. Now see, you will get hola. Instead of this language, I want in Arabic. So now if you will run, you will get Arabic. Instead of hello, we can write hello, I am Shraddha Singh. Okay. Now, what will happen if I will run? You will get that in the Arabic. Instead of Arabic, if we want any other language, suppose, say we have a lots of languages. So according to your choice, which language you want. Suppose I want Indonesian language. You will get hello, Saya. See, Shraddha Singh. So like that, we can change the language, we can translate. Okay, so see, this scratch, we can use this scratch as for our translation also. Okay, see, suppose we want that in the German. If you will run, you will get hallo, ich bin Shraddha Singh. Okay, after that, suppose if you want like a text to speech, whatever you will write, that will speak also. Okay. So how you will do that? Again, you have to just click on this add extension, add your text to speech, so you will get. After that, what we want, I want to speak this one also. So see what will happen.
Hello, I am Shraddha Singh.
So you will get voice. Okay. After that, we have a voice like we have a alto voice, we have tenor, squeak, gant, kitten. Even we can change the voice.
Meow, 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 meow.
So like that, whatever voice you want, you can add. Suppose see,
Hello, I am Shraddha Singh.
even whatever language we want, we can add the language also. Suppose I want that in Hindi, for example.
Hello, I am Shraddha Singh.
So you will get that language, okay? Suppose I want French language.
Hello, I am Shrada Singh.
So you will get the variations here, okay? So in this way, we can translate the language and we can use our text to speech also in Scratch, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much.